Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we shall understand identifier and keywords provided by the C programming language. Identifier is a name given to various program elements like functions, variables, constants, and user-defined data types. Identifier consists of letters and digits. However, the first character must be a letter. You can use underscore character as the first character in your identifier. You can use both uppercase and lowercase letters. But the convention is to use lowercase letters in variable and function names, and the uppercase is used for constant identifiers. The identifiers are case sensitive, that is, foo in all lowercase is not the same as foo with a F in uppercase. It is a good practice to give a meaningful name to identifiers and use underscore character to separate words. You can use camel casing for your identifiers where the first letter of each word is uppercased. For example, the function named get_radius can be written as getRadius with R in uppercase. Here are a few examples of identifiers from the program example used in earlier lesson. Keywords. There is a set of reserved words called keywords that have standard predefined meaning in C programming language. These keywords can be used only for their intended purpose. They can't be used as programmer-defined identifiers. The table shows the list of keywords in C. Some compilers may recognize other keywords too. Please use the reference manual to get the complete list of supported keywords. Note, all the keywords are in lowercase letters. As the lowercase and uppercase is identified differently, C does not restrict you to use keywords in uppercase as identifiers. However, this is not a good programming practice. Thank you and have fun.